Hey, this year I want to try and grow some peas for actual peas sake, you know. And these are the variety Tom Thumb. I planted 4 and 3 already sprouted. They are crazy fast. In a matter of 2 days, they poked out their first roots and they aren't even a week old. They look like this. If you grow pepper plants, you know what kind of a major difference that is. Because my little chilies here, 2 weeks in, still haven't poked out. And these ones, after a week, are already pretty big. So let's get these into their own little containers. Alrighty, so here it is, my 4 little pea plants. They're said to grow no higher than about 20 centimeters high, a little bushy, and bring out pods with 5 to 8 peas in them. Alright, I'll keep you updated.